Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing corned beef hash from scratch. Better than any diner you've ever had. So let's get started. What we're going to need is one diced yellow onion. We're going to need one bulb of garlic, diced up nice and little. And we're going to need about 1.5 pounds of cooked corned beef that we're going to cut into little cubes. Then we're going to take our cast iron skillet, put about 2 tablespoons of butter in there. We're going to add a couple tablespoons of avocado oil or olive oil if you have. Turn the heat on medium and get that to melting. So we'll start off by adding our diced onion. And we're going to saute that onion for about 4 minutes or so. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're going to add our corned beef. Came out to about 2 cups of diced corned beef. Add that, mix it up good. And then we're going to add our garlic. I've got the oven preheated to 375 degrees. So we'll put our garlic in. And like always, as soon as our garlic becomes fragrant, then we're going to add half a bag of frozen hash browns. And that'll capture all that garlic flavor. I'm using Ore-Ida, but you can use whatever brand you like. And once we have the hash browns in, we're going to break up any pieces that are stuck together. And then give that a real good mix as well. And while I'm doing that, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment if you can. I really appreciate it. Any help is great. Now once I have it all mixed up, I took a potato masher. And I'm just gently pressing everything down nice and tight. And once I have that all pressed down nice, I'm going to hit the top of this with just a little bit of olive oil to help get it dark and colorized from the oven. So we're going to pop this in the oven for about 35-40 minutes or until the top of that pan is nice and golden brown. And I'm telling you, if you like corned beef hash, this will be a home run for you and the family. All right, thanks for watching and come back again soon. Thank you.